Anger management in the workplace. Anger is often the most misunderstood of all the emotions and is simply repressed hurt or lack of control. Depending on the person, their childhood, and how they perceive stress, they can be passive aggressive or aggressive. Neither coping skill gets your needs met and is harmful in the long run. It is how you deal with stress and what coping mechanisms you use to handle it that determine if you need anger management training. Anger management class in the workplace, which meets all court requirements, is key to understanding a successful team environment. How you function as a unit dictates your sales and productivity. We can help you understand your team, unit, and remove the toxic behaviors in your environment. You may have seen the patron at the restaurant whose steak was overcooked and she was screaming at the manager. Her needs were not met, and she is probably viral on the internet somewhere, having a meltdown. On the flip side, there's a passive-aggressive diner whose food was wrong, but they did not send it back and instead wrote a nasty Yelp review. Both of these are underlying anger elements due to their needs not being met and lack of control. You probably heard the term hair trigger. This means that you never know when someone might blow up or get set off by an event that they cannot control around them. We generally avoid these people at all costs. That is, unless you're required to do that for your job. If you have to deal with difficult people at your employment location, you will need to know how to do it correctly and with finesse. That is what we can help you with. Not only understanding where your anger comes from, but how to handle it at the root cause level and utilize new strategies for any situation you are in. Burnout and frustration due to lack of control will be addressed, as will time management. Anger triggers, coping skills, reframing the situation, and understanding how we react to anger and expectations of others is key to understanding our underlying anger. We will provide worksheets and exercises to minimize aggression while maximizing assertive behavior. Some of the things that you will learn in anger management training include understanding anger and other emotions, anger, stress, and mental fitness at home and at work, what trigger thoughts are and how to stop them, how to implement coping strategies, reframe thinking errors, assertive communication, resolving conflicts while managing anger, passive-aggressive anger, maintaining positive changes, unpopular employees, navigating toxic work culture, work and life balance, anger at home and in relationships, anger as repressed hurt, childhood and adult trauma, emotions that lead to anger, lack of control, needing to win or be right, and so much more.